but nice. Nice with popcorn, watching movie. So mga kabunso, thank you very much for watching, and your Shirley Temple. Good evening mga kabunso, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Mga kabunso, my name is Edwin and I'm your bartender. So mga kabunso, for tonight, I'm gonna show you how to make a Shirley Temple mocktail. So again mga kabunso, this mocktail is for you because I know some of you is not drinking alcohol. So this mocktail is for you. So for the Shirley Temple, we need this Sprite and fresh lemon juice and grenadine syrup, and of course my Pilsner glass. So mga kabunso, let's start for the Shirley Temple mocktail. So mga kabunso, first 15 ml 15 ml of lemon juice and 15 ml of grenadine syrup, 15 ml, and put some ice. Look at that, nice. And fill up with the Sprite. If you don't have Sprite and you have 7-Up, it's okay. Both same. Okay, fill up with the Sprite. Nice. Look at that. And yeah. So mga kabunso, see, the color is nice. You know, I put lemon juice because if the syrup is sweet and the Sprite is sweet, so for the balance taste, so I put lemon juice. And for the garnish, got lemon wheel. Put two slices. Put the slice inside. And one more for the refreshing ice. So here we go. So mga kabunso, almost done. So your Shirley Temple. So mga kabunso, this drink is for you without alcohol and refresh. So mga kabunso, thank you very much for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe my YouTube channel, and don't forget to share also to your friends. So mga kabunso, as usual, I know this is your like it also. This is tasting time. You will like it, this one for sure. One more. Sweet and little sour because of lemon juice, but nice. Nice with popcorn, watching movie. So mga kabunso, thank you very much for watching, and your Shirley Temple Mocktail. Cheers.